Hey all, super short video today. I wanted us to take a look at a small tool the creator of Gum has been tinkering with. It's called xnafiddle.net. The purpose is to be the easiest way to test out any XNA-like code such as Monogame, KNI, or FNA. Another great purpose for this would be to show demos or code for Gum. Let's take a look here at the layout. We can see on the left we have code. On the right, the first time you come to the page, you're going to have this little welcome screen. We can run this program that's on the left and it will show up here on the right. So I'm going to click run. At the top it's going to compile it. And now we can see that the code on the left here is running over on the right. We can make changes and then we can recompile it. So let's make the radius bigger on this. And let's rerun it. Now we have a larger ball. Make it larger. Go back down smaller. It's very easy to make changes and test out the code. And while you could simply take the code, put it into Visual Studio or VS Code, run the code there after you download the different NuGet packages and modules, etc. This is just a quick and easy way to test a concept. Now there's a bunch of examples that exist up here, and we can test out a variety of different libraries and setups by clicking on examples. Let's select texture loading. So now we have an example showing how to load a texture. And then we can actually change this and see the output. So let's make this faster. Let's make this rotate a little bit faster. So these examples give you information on how to look at the code and how to run the code. And you get to test out and get immediate feedback of what it is you're doing before you have to worry about installing NuGet packages and downloading libraries and writing all the code out. So it's just a quick way to do all of that. XNA Fiddle includes a number of popular libraries. We can select different libraries such as Apos Shapes. So back under the examples, Apos Shapes. And here we've got different shapes being drawn using the Apos Shapes tool. And so you can modify one of these to play around with it. One final thing we can do is sharing. Let's go up to the Gum projects. We can go to the Gum UI here. And remember, keep in mind, the code on the left here is what you would put into the actual project or game or tool. So if you copied all of this and you had these different NuGet packages installed, you'd be able to see this exact same output. This is just allowing you to do it quickly here in the web. Now that we have the Gum UI up, let's go ahead and modify this button so that we can have 10 of them. Okay, so go ahead and run this. Now we have 10 buttons. We can make it 20 buttons. And we can even hit the F5 key, and that will run it without you having to click the button. So now we've got 20 buttons over here on the side. Now, once you have a project that you want to share, we're going to click the Share button up here. Notice that there is code here. It's going to be embedded in the URL, so it can get a little bit long. You're not going to want to build up a whole project in this and try to share it that way. But for small samples, this is a great way that you can share this, show somebody how to do something. Maybe somebody wants help on the forums and you just want to show them quickly, here's how you do it. You could write the code here, copy the URL, give it to them, and now they have the answer. Give it a shot. There's a lot you can do here and share, so check it out. And if you have any feedback, please join the Flat Red Ball Discord. You can discuss XNA, Gum, Flat Red Ball. Come on. Thanks for watching.